Alright guys, I got this crazy video to show you. When I was camping, there was birds flying around all together as a good family, hunting for their food, surviving out here in this world. And they came really close to me. I just want to show you this footage. I know I look like crap. I've been up the whole night. It's kind of windy and cold out here. But we out here doing what we gotta do to learn our trades and keep it moving. So just keep an eye out for us. We always got new content coming out, camping tips and stuff like that. This is Mike, I Will Survive, and I'll let you watch the video. Peace. See the birds, they're all flying together. Sequence, all one big family. That's what you should be striving for. Everything together. So when Big Bear over there wakes up, we're gonna get some food in our gut. Ah, look at these birds, they're up on the shore. This is priceless, guys. Let me get you out the tent. Just finished waking up this morning. Beautiful sight. God love us, man. There's definitely a higher power out there, guys. Fire still going from last night. Not too shabby. We got Big Bear in the bed there, still sleeping. That's why I put my head down to rest. That is awesome. I don't really got that much to say on this video. Just go out there and do what you like doing. If you like camping, go ahead and do that. Wow, beautiful birds.